เมืองไทยแล้วมาอยู่เมืองไทยหลายปีผมรักเมืองไทยแล้วมาอยู่เมืองไทยแล้วก็ตั้งนานหลายปีติดอกชอบใจสาวเมืองไทยเนี่ยก็ดูสวยดีชอบไปเที่ยวพัทยาเดินไปเดินมาเจอแต่ของดีๆไทยแลนด์แลนด์ออฟสมัยฝรั่งชอบใจ very happy ชอบ
What's up guys? Right now we're going to the gym. We're gonna hit some chest, but before that we gotta fuel up. We're going to 7-Eleven to get some snacks. And then, yeah, we're going on the way to Tano's gym. It's called Unreal Gym out here in Bangkok. Definitely the best gym out here in Bangkok, Thailand. And with this gym, I feel like we got the membership. We bought at the bottom, we bought at the dip, because now he's about to add ice bath, sauna, Muay Thai at the top. It's about to be a whole different level in terms of the quality and the amenities at this gym. And guys, right here every day when we go get snacks, we have to cross the dangerous street. This car is just flying by. Are you ready to cross the street?
No.
All right, we're just gonna trust Kanye here to get us across the street safely. I'm just gonna close my eyes.
Yeah, here we go.
Guys, look at this 7-Eleven. It's built out of like the cargo sheds. What are they called? Cargo boxes? Cargo containers? Kanye, what's your go-to pre-workout snack?
I don't know.
Buy her fitness course.
Trying to figure it out. Oh, no, this. I eat this every single day. Just because it said that it's clean and it's a lot of like protein.
How much protein?
I think like 20 something, 26, 24. Yeah, 26.
How many carbs? It's gonna give you a nasty pump. 56
grams.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I got this little yellow Superman drink right here. Just a better version of Gatorade. I already drank 4 coffees today. And then Kanye got a Red Bull. Alright, we're about to just book bikes to Unreal Gym. It's only like a 12-minute drive, 10-minute drive. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, we're starting off with some incline chest press of some sort. I have no idea what the full name is, but let's dive in. Definitely a little bit too light, so we're gonna call that a warm-up. Hey guys, we're gonna push the limits. We're gonna add another plate on, 3 plates, so 6 plates total. This is for the content. I don't know if I'm strong enough, but hopefully the pad thai can. Come on, I have 4 sales calls today. If I get 6 reps, I get 24,000 cash collected. Come on.
Let's go.
Alright, 24,000 cash collected. That's just into your pockets. Let's go. We're rich. Alright guys, right now we're warming up on the next machine. We're not gonna warm up that much. Just testing out the weight to see how strong we can go, how much weight we can put on. Right now we have 1 plate on, and it's very light, so we're definitely gonna add another plate.
Sure.
But with this machine, you can definitely feel the stretch. So much better than just like a normal chest press. I'm gonna have to go shirtless real quick for you guys for free.
Okay.
I'm gonna do 1 rep.
Can you do this?
I don't know what that does. I think it helps actually. Try it. Push it. Push and push at the same time.
Oh.
It helps.
The legs, yeah. not moving an inch.
Guys, you gotta have some type of courtesy here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Eyes up here, miss. All right. Set number 1 for real. Let's get it. Now it's good weight. Still pretty light though. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One more. Shit. Bam. Milkers are getting full. I can feel them. Wait, hold on. We gotta get a zooming lens. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Feel the milk. What was that? Whole milk? 2%? Low fat?
Shouldn't we doing this in public though?
Yeah, I mean, we got the whole place to ourselves. Might as well do some cardio. Alright guys, as you can see, we're about to just stretch out the chest, spread the milk all throughout the body. Let's go ahead and dive downwards. Hopefully I think it's the same weight. Alright, looks good. Get down. 2. Alright. Now, just trying to see that down. 3, 4.
It's a little like this, just bigger, and there's one that looks well.
Bam. Still got the pump. Just walked a mile. Shiny. We need some pre or post pump protein pellets. You want one?
No.
These ones hit so hard. They're called Clint. We have to go somewhere in like 30 minutes. The energy is kind of, going down after the workout. So now we're gonna go back up. Yeah, we hit some chest, walked a mile, kind of hit legs, glutes, hamstrings, calves. Did you hit calves? No? Yes? No?
Never in my life.
Check them out. Hit them yesterday. Look at the calves.
My calf.
I'll show you the calves. Actually, not bad calves.
Not bad, not bad. Genitals.
Bro, do you know I went to the, do you know who Ziz is?
Huh?
Ziz, the guy who does like things like this.
No.
I went to the sauna he died to.
He what?
I went to the sauna that he died in. Like
He died?
Yeah.
He died in a sauna?
Yeah, rest in peace. Yeah.
Why?
I mean, I don't blame him.
Overheat or what?
Yeah, the sauna is the hottest sauna I've ever been in my entire life. Like, it's like you step in and it's time to step out. I don't know how people use that one, but it's like, I think it's like 200 baht or 100 baht for like a day or for like an hour. But it's like, it's got like a sauna, ice bath, steam room sometimes. Most of the time it doesn't work. And then they give you like fruit, some water. Boy.
Sorry, cannot.
But yeah, rest in peace is this big inspiration for going to the gym. Listening to like hardstyle music when I was like 18, 17, maybe even 16. I forgot how old I was, but main inspiration of going to the gym, was getting big in high school. But then, most gym people, they're broke. I was broke for like 3 or 4 years while going to the gym, especially in university, and then dropping out, giving up on fitness for a little bit, still going sometimes, but then just focusing a little bit more on the money side until I made that work, and now we're back leveling both up at the exact same time. Kanya, what's your weekly routine look like? Like, what's your gym routine? Is it just legs, arms, what is it?
I don't have a routine.
No routine? Yeah, I'm the same.
I just hit legs whenever I go to the gym. That's like, what is it, like 3 times?
I'm so buzzed.
3 times a week, 4 times a week.
And guys, right now I'm only eating once a day, or not once a day, I'm eating in a window. So like after I get all of my daily non-negotiables done, 10 eggs, rice, and then if I'm up long enough, I eat another time and then I pass out.
I need to hit arms too.
Flex your biceps. Do a double bicep.
Bicep? I don't have a bicep.
Wait. Hold it. All right, whoa.
Okay, take it out, bro.
No, I'm ascending to another level here.
Don't die.
Shaking hands with Buddha. Shh.
In front of a Buddhist? I said Buddhist?
Do this pose.
What pose? I don't do arms.
Do it. I might pass out here, guys.
I haven't.
Do it.
I don't have any.
But guys, it's been an absolute pleasure. Kind of fist bump. Bam. What a W chest and leg day combination. You gonna say bye to the YouTube, Kanye?
Bye. Ooh, armpit.
I'm a bit sweaty, especially after the buzz. Nicotine is spiraling my blood pressure out of control.
Am I getting bigger yet? Is it there yet?
For the people who stayed to the end, you get a treat.
Okay, I just worked out for how long?
Like
2 weeks?
Off and on.
Yeah. 2 or 3 weeks now?
Actually, she's still very consistent in the room. The gym was already closed. The upstairs gym, it doesn't work anymore for a long time now. So we worked out in the room. And
I worked out.
Yeah, I already worked out for the day.
But my legs though, it's getting there. I'm getting there.
Look at the hamstring.
This is quad, hamstring is back here.
Yeah. Tight. Very tight.
I'm getting there.
All right, guys, enough chit chat. See you on the flip side.